Hello and welcome traders. Welcome to Precious Pips. I hope all of you are doing good. So let's start today's analysis. Today is Monday, Jan 12th, and today we don't have any red folder news events. So first we will have a look at the fundamentals and then we will move on to the technicals. Gold flirts with yearly tops around 4500. Okay, so here you can see traders, gold fundamentals are broadly bullish in the medium to long term. Due to safe haven demand, central bank purchases, inflation hedge needs and real yield dynamics. On the short term, fundamentals are still supportive but constrained by USD strength and profit booking before major US data release. Okay, so very important. So let's move on to our charts. So this is the weekly chart, and as you can see traders, previous week candle was a beautiful bullish candle. Okay, so covering this bearish move. Okay, so now as you can see, we already opened this week bullish, and also we break past our all-time high. Okay, so congratulations to all the traders who are holding. So you'll be in good profits, so you can book anytime now. So now how are we going to trade today? So I will be explaining you very simple process. Just a moment. So this is the daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, previous day candle was also a bullish candle. So as you can see, we got that pressure from this candle. Okay, so we got that bullish pressure from this candle. Okay, so we have buyers here, and already all-time high is broken. Okay, so now let's move on to our main chart, and also you don't forget to mark the range. Okay, so you mark this previous weekly range and the previous daily range. Okay, so this is the previous daily range, so you need to mark this range. Okay, high and low. I have already marked both the ranges. Okay, I'll show you over here. So as you can see traders, this is the weekly range in the purple line. Okay, so this is the previous week range. So this was the move, bullish move that I was talking about, and this is the daily range. Okay, so this is the previous daily range. So as you can see, weekly high plus daily high, so previous range were equal. Okay, and as you can see, currently we got a bullish breakout. Okay, so this was our last resistance on the all-time high. We break past the resistance. Okay, our all-time high was 4550.150. Okay, so currently as you can see, we break past that all-time high, and price is moving upside direction. So now as you can see traders, today I'll explain you very simple plan. Okay, so now you cannot buy in this range, obviously. Okay, so now you cannot buy over here, and you can give the stop loss over here. That will be a foolishness. Okay, so now how are you going to trade today? So as you can see traders, here we have a gap. Okay, so here we have a gap, so anytime market can fall below towards its gap. Okay, and its daily and weekly high range. Okay, so once the market can retrace towards our previous week and daily high range. Okay, and if the market takes support from this range, so we can continue our bullish pressure from here, or else breaking this, market can come towards our trend line. Okay, so this is a hourly trend line you can draw. Okay, like this. So this is an hourly trend line. So now simply you have to wait, so market can come down below until our previous week high and daily range. Okay, so if the market is breaking this, then market can come to test these buyers. Okay, all these buyers. So as you can see traders, here we have a lot of buyers. Okay, So here we have a lot of liquidity, we have a lot of buyers, and also we have our previous day low range. Okay, so market can anytime come to test these buyers. Okay, so now as you can see traders, in this type of scenarios, we don't know who is buying and who is selling. It's all time high. Okay, so someone buying from here, someone buying from here, they might start booking their profits here. Okay, so we can see uh, a consolidation move in this range. Okay, so a lot of profit booking will be happening. And also as you can see traders, I already shared with you, on the short term fundamentals are still supportive but constrained by USD strength and profit booking. Okay, so before US data release, so as you can see this week we have a lot of news events. So these are high impact news events starting from tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so continuous high impact news events. So now what we can do is traders, we can wait for the price for the retracement. Okay, so once the price retraces and once the price is holding this level or this level, then we can plan our buying entry. Okay, so now literally we don't know until where the price can travel. Okay, so the price can travel until 4600. So maybe after hitting 4600 we can fall. Okay, so maybe from here we can fall, maybe we can create 4700. So we literally don't know. Okay, so in these scenarios we need to wait carefully, we need to wait for our movement. Okay, so you can make the plan. So this is a simple analysis, you don't have to worry. Okay, simply now you need to wait for that retracement. Okay, so you need to wait for that profit booking. Also if I show you in the daily time frame over here, this was our previous all-time high, and as you can see after this all-time high market started creating some resistance. Okay, and market wanted to continue from here. I'll show you on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this was the final all-time high after some profit bookings. So as you can see market continued, but market failed to create lower low. Then we started creating an up move. Same here. So as you can see this was the resistance after breaking this all-time high. Okay, so we failed to create lower lows and instantly market went up. Okay, so same thing can happen over here. So as you can see after breaking this all-time high, so we can create some bullish momentum and then again we can continue. So that's how market works. Okay traders, so simply you need to wait for the price to retrace towards the daily, previous daily, weekly high range. Okay, then we will plan our buying entries. Okay traders, so this is the only scenario for today. Okay traders, so whatever live updates I'll be sharing in my Telegram channel. So till then, peace out.